Hi, this is Ina and you are welcome to Lady FTV, the best place to carry future wealth and well-being. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed my previous forecast as we made nice returns in euro and in oil. So today I want to talk with you about oil again, but not about technicals because there is not much technicals to discuss. I think for some time we will remain in current range. But I want to explain you why, what was the reason of recent oil market decline. So first of all, I know that many of you think it was all because of Trump, but I want to ask you why Trump decided to make a pressure on oil. So it's very easy to explain. As you know, recently and all the recent years, Saudi Arabia was the king and the most powerful oil country, and it was the most powerful country in OPEC. But now things began to change and Russia is taking more and more control, despite Russia is not a member in OPEC yet. So what about Trump? As you know, Trump started trade war with China, but what is the reason of this trade war? To be honest, China didn't want to buy oil from US as price is the same, but the quality of oil from Saudi Arabia is much higher than US oil. So this way Trump is trying to make less powerful Saudi Arabia and to make US a more important player in oil market. As you know, recently oil output in US has increased very much, and it reminds me the story of Procter&Gamble when they started to sell their products with lower prices, and they had losses during few years, but they took the control under the market, and later they started increasing the prices. And something like this is happening now in the US, and something like this is the idea what Mr. President has. But I am not sure if it will, if he will be right and if he will get the result he wants, because of Saudi Arabia. They may decide, oh, Mr. President, if you want cheap oil, you will get cheap oil. And the Saudi Arabia can make more pressure on oil market, and as a result oil will be something like $20 a barrel. But what will happen next? This price will kill US oil production and as well as Russian oil production, while Saudi Arabia can survive even with these prices. And it's all because of cost of production. I'm not saying that Saudi Arabia will take this decision, but it's a very important possibility. So for now I think we will remain in this current range, but we have to watch political games to understand what steps they can take and what we should expect to happen with oil prices next. And once again, if Saudi Arabia will decide to make more pressure on oil prices, then how do you think what will happen with Dow? Oh my god, that is terrible, because all the supports will be broken very fast. Oil is a very important factor in US economy. So if oil prices will continue to decline much lower, the US economy will suffer a lot, and be sure you will see a very significant decline in Dow. But now I want to pay your attention at other markets, and let's have a look at some charts. So guys, let's start with gold market, because I think we will get a very nice opportunity in this market very soon. And I'm talking about a level 1264. I think if we will see a nice rejection near this level, I will go short with a target, first target 1216, and then I think we will see a breakdown of this channel, and my final target will be 1140. So once again, wait for mentioned level, and if you see rejection, then go short. It will be a very good risk-reward ratio in this trade. And now I want to make an update about euro. So here's my updated count, and this count is valid until 1.1450 holds. I booked my shorts that I had opened last week and went short again last Friday. So my first target is 1.1450. 12.80. My final target remains the same, so but I will likely book my profits here and reshort near 1.1370, and then I will hold till final target. So I still stick to shorts in euro market until 1.1120 will be hit. Then I will reverse to longs. As always, I will notify all my trading signal subscribers about entries, stop losses and take profits and all coming opportunities in the market. And if you are not yet in our chat room, take an opportunity to get up to 70% special Christmas discount and join team of winners. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, share it with your friends. Follow me on social links below, and I will catch you next time on Lady FTV.